hole to make it. So let's how to make this iPad or iPhone. Just let me open the whole thing. So after that, you have this. Right from the screen, you count 12 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you'll have this white as your 12, but you take this green next to it and you twist it towards you. You'll have this A. Next, you see this green over here. Twist it to the right. Then you see this white. You can go up. Next, you see this white. You do the same thing on this side. Make it go to the left. And then make this green. So after that, you take this white. Sorry, that's my sister. So at the white, you make it go to the right. White and right rhyme. And you'll have this. Next, you see this green. Wait, yeah, this green. Make it go to the left. You count these two, 1, 2 rectangles, and you take the screen and make it turn it to the left, and to the right. Next, you do the same thing, kind of. You count these two squares, 1, 2, or triangles, and then you see the third white from here. You make that go to the right. To the left. I'm sorry, you were confusing at my right and left. So this is just part of it. Next, see this light. Sometimes I don't have to like this part. See this light? You make it go down. Then you see this thing, and you make it go down too. You have this. Next, you see this green. Take that another time down. We're almost done. You have this. Next, you do the same thing here. See this light? Make it go like this. You have this. Also, please comment down if did you have hard time doing this or not. Thank you. Bye.